back again, and now I'm actually outside and I'm doing watching fireworks. I'm trying to see where I'm going. It's really dark out here. This is just gonna be a quick little video. As you can see, I am actually, it's not 4th of July yet, I'm just filming. I'm gonna post this video and then comment down below if you want me to continue doing vlogs like this or if you just want the paranormal stuff. God, look, there's like strobe lights down there. I'll be posting this video sometime tonight. I don't know if you can really see anything. I tried to get as close as I can, and I'm not using my actual camera because that thing, seriously, it still sucks. But I will be using it for when I do some upcoming videos that I have coming. You'll have to stay tuned for that. I have some really crazy things planned out for the next couple of weeks, I think. Yeah. It's like really dark out here right now. I'm sitting in my backyard. Comment if you actually want me to give you a tour one day. Maybe I'll do a live stream. Okay, because this video is kind of getting boring, I think, right now, and I'm not going to overlay it with any music or anything. I'm just going to post it as is. I'm probably going to go in and post it. Actually, I'll probably post it straight from my camera right now, so don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below if you want me to do more vlogs or if you want me to continue with the other videos. So, until next time.